The project name is waste paper recycle. This is a process in which the waste paper is converted into another useful form. This comes under eco-friendly material. So the waste paper will be brought by the truck in this fashion. The waste paper will be in different shapes and different types. Paper will be there. This paper will be cut into small pieces like this. This is called a shredded paper. Now from stage 1 it moved to the stage 2 where it will become the shredded paper. This paper is cut into small pieces using shredding machine. After this stage, this shredded paper is put in the mixing stage and water is added and some chemicals are added into that so that the dirt is removed from this. So water, shredded paper and some chemicals are added which will remove the dirt and it will make the paper clean. Now after this stage it will form the pulp like this. So this pulp is, you have to take this pulp like this and press in this stage. This is a compressor stage. You put like this and you press it. Once you press it, all the water will come out and it will form sheets like this. It will form a sheet like this. This sheet will be wet. So you have to place the sheet under this fan. This is a dryer stage. Connect this under the fan and connect the motor. The motor will have a fan. This will dry the paper and finally you will get a dried paper which can be cut into required shape and stacked in the final stage. This is the process of waste paper recycling. Here we don't waste paper. This becomes a handmade paper. It can be used for various purposes. It can be used for on dining tables. It can be used for making drawing. So this is a reusable item. So this will not pollute the environment. Okay? This is the project. And stop changing.